First, place the seat top on a flat surface. Place the footrest section onto the seat top and ensure that the screw holes line up. Fasten all 4 screws on the footrest section. Insert the gas lift onto the base with the thin section facing downwards. Line up the base with the gas lift and ensure that all of the screw holes line up. Apply glue to the thread and to the end of the screw. Make sure you fit the screw in quickly and fasten with the provided Allen key. Now repeat the same process for all of the screws. Make sure all of the screws are fastened tightly. To test the gas lift, pull the lever towards you and adjust to your liking. You can now enjoy the full comfort of your deluxe bar stool.